Alright, so in theory it's working correctly, although the choke is really lean to get it to run right. Also good. That's the oil light. I mean, it's on, but not really. The amp light is off. You can't even see that one. I mean, here, I can show it to you, but see, that's what both of them look like normally. Gah. Oil light's out. Gen light will be out. There we go. There's the gen light for you. So, it's kind of sort of working. Carb tuning needs some work, and we'll see how well it does tomorrow when it's cold, but a good success, I think.